So dear students, this is your first chapter, okay, and the very first chapter is based on the articles. That is the your first unit, and from this unit there will be given only objective questions, means very short questions, and all of you are aware of articles, that how many articles are there. So in brief, let us have a look all these articles, because this is the very first chapter and you can be given any kind of sentence based on article, means you can be given a sentence and you can be asked that which article will be used in this sentence out of only 3 articles. So we all are aware that articles are only 3 in number, a and the, okay. Articles are 3. There are only 3 articles and these articles are a, an and the. And now these articles are also divided into 2 types. That is, now how will you know that in this sentence or before this word we have to put whether a, an or the. So that may be the confusion among the students. So let us divide all these 3 articles into 2 parts, indefinite articles and definite article, right? Indefinite, a and n, a, n, both these articles are indefinite articles, and there is only one article, that is definite article. So a, n are indefinite articles and the is only the definite article, right? You all know all of this. Now where we shall use a, an and the. Now use of article a. A is an indefinite article, okay. So now a, this kind of article a, it is always used with a noun, beginning with a consonant sound, right? Now you will use this article where, before which word, before that noun or before that word which will start with the consonantal sound table, okay, table, that is T. So T is a it is giving us a consonantal sound, right? T is a consonant. So now here we shall put a, that is a table. Dog, D is also a consonant. It is also, this noun is also starting with a consonant sound, so a. So in this way in the exam you have to keep this in your mind, that you have to be very careful at the time of putting these kinds of 3 articles. So a article is used before the word that is giving a consonantal sound. A table, a dog, B, that is also consonant, a book, a university, that is U. It is not U, it is a university, because this letter is also giving us a unit, a 1 rupee note, okay. It is not O, it is 1. So we have to focus on the sound, on not the letter, not on the letter but on the sound. So this article a, it is used with a noun beginning with a consonant sound, okay, and all these are the examples of a. Now in another article, indefinite article, again it is also used with a noun but beginning with a vowel sound. So only this is the difference between use of a and n. So don't forget, both are articles and both are indefinite articles, but in spite of that there is a difference at the time, at the moment when we go to use of all these, both all the a and n, okay. So when we start to make a use of all these indefinite article, what kind of difference we have? The biggest difference is that a is used with a noun. Both are used with a noun, but A is used with a consonant sound, right? The word which is being started with a consonant sound. On the other hand, N is used with a vowel sound. Now just look at the example. Now the example of N. An article is used with a noun beginning with a vowel sound, and A was being used with a consonant sound. Okay, and you can find the difference yourself. N, that is an apple, apple, right? It is a noun, but this noun is beginning with a vowel sound, that is A, and now it is T, D, B, U, that is it is O, but it is giving us the consonant sound va, that is one. So apple and apple, right? Orange, that is also giving a vowel sound. An apple, an orange, a aunt, that is also giving a vowel sound, that is before vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So before the vowels we always use this kind of article. An apple, an orange, an aunt, an American, an honest. Okay, H is silent. An honest man. So these are the use of both kinds of article A and N. Indefinite articles. Now definite article is very important because it is only a single article, that is the. And now again look, an apple, an elephant, a woman, a machine. Okay, all these are the example of indefinite article. A sweet apple, a massive elephant, an ugly. Okay, though there is a U, but it is giving a vowel sound. An ugly woman, an unserviceable machine. Now use of article the, that is, now where we can use, we can make a use of the, a definite article. We use this kind of article only to show a definite person, because the is a definite article. So we always use it when we have to show a particular person, an important person, we can say a particular thing, a definite thing, oh, that has been already mentioned. Okay, that has been, oh, that has already been mentioned. For example, now just look at the example of the, so that you may make a difference among all these articles A, N and the. Uday has a dog, right? So that is any. Means here any, right? A dog. So here we are using not N, because it is not giving us a vowel sound, but this noun is giving us a consonant sound. Okay, D, a consonantal, that is a consonant, and it is also giving us a consonant sound. So has a dog, any dog, but now when we use it again, the dog, why here is not a, because it has already been mentioned. Okay, this word, this noun, this particular animal has been mentioned before. So now here we use the. Uday has a dog, the dog's name. Okay, the dog, the means the particular, the definite person, or the definite thing, the definite one whom or about whom I was talking. The dog's name is, in that way, Shera. So this is the example of this article the. Another example is I have a house. Okay, I have a house, the house. Okay, which house? This particular house that has been mentioned. The house is small. So in this way we make a use of this particular article, that is a definite article. Now we use article the to show a definite person or definite thing, right? Now you can look at the example of other also. For example, the Ganga, the Indus, the Brahmaputra. Okay, that is we use article the before geographical proper noun. Okay, that is proper noun. And geographical proper noun also the Himalayas, that is the Andamans, the Japanese island. In this way, the Indian Ocean, the particular theme, the definite theme. So this article the is used, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian. Now you can say so where not, why not N? But no, because it is a particular, it is a definite proper noun. We can say geographical proper noun. So the Arabian Sea. In this way, just look here, okay, the United States. And again, that is the Times is a famous newspaper. Again, they just look, that is the particular, the definite thing. So there are so many examples of, and you will be given only one sentence, fill in the blanks, and you have to put a particular, a definite, a suitable article. The Aaj Tak is a news channel. So in this way you can be asked some radio television channels. Okay, now you can say the Times, the Aaj Tak. So in this way that we can use, or we can use this article the, but just look at this also, that there may be some exception. This depends on the choice of the user. Some radio or television channels, sometimes even newspapers or journals, they don't use this kind of article the with their names. For example, Hindustan Times. So it depends on the channel, television channels, on the radio, whether they are using this article or not. Now look that how you will be asked in the exam. You can be given this kind of pattern of question, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks, that is with A, O, N. That just use either A, O, N. The doctor advised him. So now you have to put here the suitable article, whether A, O, N. Maybe the also, you can be given another option also the. The doctor advised him, then X-ray. So whether A, O, N. Physics is, okay, another interesting subject. Raman is fill in blank, that is heir to this estate. Meter is, okay, you can be given even two blank, two fill in the blanks also, unit of measurement. Iron is again blank, useful metal. Gold is. So in this way you have to put here the proper article. So this kind of questions can be given.